Hey, welcome back to my channel. To new viewers, I'm Lehana Ashraf. This channel is basically me browsing things that I find interesting and share it with you guys. The things that I mostly browse are on conspiracy theories, unknown facts, psychology and crime. So if you guys are into this type of videos, leave a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get into today's video. Really, today's video is a suggested video, and this video is suggested by a user named Android Lover. This user is pretty active in my videos, and I mean like active in my channel, and this user has commented in both of my videos. In my first video, in which I have talked about Alice in Wonderland syndrome, this user in the comment section suggested me to do a video on phobia, and I was like, yeah, this topic is great and I also want to know about it, so here it is. So today in this video I have I'm talking about 10 phobias, in which 5 of them will be the most common ones and the other 5 will be the rare ones. So let's get in this video to know more about different types of phobias.
Send the rocks across the pavement, hoping it will cave and swallow me whole.
First, let's look at the most common phobia. The first one that I'm going to talk about is mysophobia. Mysophobia is the fear of germs. The people who has mysophobia repeatedly washes their hands and use sanitizer. It is mainly due to the fear of being unclean and the fact that germs or bacteria may attack them. The second phobia is agoraphobia. Agoraphobia is the fear of crowded places. The people who has agoraphobia avoid situations or places that causes embarrassment, helplessness or panic. This phobia is really common, that more than 1 million cases per year is reported in India alone. The people who has severe agoraphobia won't even leave their home. The third one that I'm going to talk about is nosophobia. Nosophobia is the fear of getting a disease that is well known and life-threatening, like cancer, heart diseases, tumor, such diseases. And the people who has this phobia continues to worry even after they have consulted a doctor and urge us to go to the hospital even if the doctor had said that there are no problems to worry about. The symptoms of nosophobia are trouble sleeping, rapid breathing, dizziness and much more. The fourth phobia that I'm going to talk about is glossophobia. Glossophobia is the fear of public speaking. The people who has glossophobia won't be able to perform well or speak well in front of other people, and some may be able to speak comfortably in a group of people, in a large group of people, where all the people are strangers to them, and some may not be able to speak in a group of people whom are really close to them. It is mainly due to the fear of being judged by others and making mistakes while speaking. The fifth one that I'm going to talk about is arachnophobia. Arachnophobia is the fear of spiders and other arachnids, and the people who has this phobia avoids places where spiders are known to be, and they experiences increased heart rate, sweating and extreme anxiety even when they are exposed to the situation, and even when they are seeing a picture of the spider itself. The first phobia, I mean the most rare phobia that I'm going to talk about, is allodoxophobia. Allodoxophobia is the fear of opinion. The people who has allodoxophobia fear the opinions of other people in general and fear opinions of other people on them, and it is said that they don't even like hearing the word opinion itself. And the people who has severe allodoxophobia even stay away from people, and it is mainly due to being judged for having a different opinion. The second one that I'm going to talk about is arachibutyrophobia. Arachibutyrophobia is the fear of peanut butter sticking to the roof of the mouth. Some may be able to eat the peanut butter as an ingredient, but some aren't able to do so, and they may even have difficulty in swallowing the peanut butter and things that has the similar texture. Aplurophobia is the fear of washing, cleaning, or bathing. It can affect children, and in adults it can affect women more than men. And the symptoms are shortness of breath, feeling lightheaded, feeling suddenly cold or hot. And it doesn't mean that they don't take a bath. They try hard to face their fears and or avoid their fear by taking a bath. The fourth one that I'm going to talk about is plutophobia. Plutophobia is the fear of money and being wealthy. It is said that the people who has plutophobia doesn't like being wealthy, and it is mainly due to the thought that being wealthy brings more pressure and responsibilities, and it is also due to the fear of losing the money that they have. And it is said that the people who has severe plutophobia stays away from people and are also terrified by the people who are wealthy. And the fifth one that I'm going to talk about is phobophobia. Phobophobia is the fear of phobia itself. The people who has phobophobia fears that they may get a phobia on something that they love. So our video of this 10 phobia, the 10 most common phobia and most rare phobia is over here, and I have prepared a bonus phobia for you guys, and let's get into that. The bonus phobia is anatidaephobia. Anatidaephobia is the phobia or the fear of somewhere, somehow a duck is watching you. Yeah, a duck. I got it from the list of the most stupidest phobia ever, and I was like, I can add it to the video. And this phobia is not a really medically recognized one. This phobia is an invented one, and it is from the comic Far Side by Gary Larson. The illustration was like a man was sitting alone in his office while far away from the street a duck was watching him, and it is just to illustrate that a person may get phobia on any fear on anything, any silly thing, right? So that's it. So if you guys like my video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.